I'm on holiday here in Bangladesh, and this caught my eye. It's an aubergine plant that's growing on a rooftop. It's a raised bed that they planted it in. I can see beans are growing here, but it's the aubergine that I'm most interested in. I've grown aubergine in a polytunnel and I've had limited success with it. The main problem I've found is that with it being a closed environment, fungus and disease sets in. But I do like the look of this variety. I'm not sure what it is. It's the long aubergine type. And there's another one here. So I always like to take inspiration from my trips abroad, in particular when it comes to growing fruit and vegetables of my heritage. And this particular aubergine plant was noteworthy in my opinion, and I wanted to just do a little update on that. So I'm going to try and get a hold of seeds of this particular type, this long aubergine. The term eggplant that we use for aubergine tends to refer to the classic egg shape that you get on aubergine plants, such as Black Beauty. There we have it, aubergines. It's not a substantial plant, it's not huge, and I'm sure that the owners have harvested the crop as they've needed to, which is the idea of homegrown food anyway.